The engineer Jacob Kudzai Mutisi, nyika inovakwa nevene vayo. A nation is built by its people, and its future is ultimately shaped by their collective will. Sarabina mashoko budanyi conscience ignore the people, risk the fall. Don't was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina mashoko amtisi anubudanyi rachiti. History repeatedly teaches one lesson. No leader, regardless of power, wealth, influence, or authority, can successfully govern indefinitely against the wish of the people. Leaders may hold office, command institutions, and control resources, but lasting legitimacy comes from public consent, not from power alone. A nation of millions cannot be expected to remain silent forever when its aspirations, concerns, and democratic rights are ignored. Citizens may exercise patience and restraint, but patience should never be mistaken for acceptance. When people feel excluded from decisions affecting their future, they will inevitably seek ways to make their voices heard through civic engagements, public debate, elections, and other lawful democratic processes. Across the world, history is littered with examples of leaders who believed they were indispensable. Some commanded powerful militaries, controlled vast state resources, and appeared politically untouchable. Yet, many eventually discovered that authority rests on fragile foundation when it is disconnected from the will of the people. Sustainable leadership is built on trust, consultation, accountability, and legitimacy. It is strengthened when leaders listen to citizens and weakened when they dismiss public concern. Governments may administer the affairs of a nation, but it is the people who ultimately confer political legitimacy. True leadership is therefore not about imposing personal ambitions or preferences. It is about building consensus, accommodating diverse views, and recognizing that every citizen has a stake in the country's future. Wise leaders understand that citizens are partners in the nation building, not obstacles to be managed. Doma developments are good pangwa ino. When I comment section videos of any what people sorry mashoko am TC. So subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon.